how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. And how careless we could be.
Finally, absolutely gorgeous out here. Look at this place. It's finally sunny. It's been raining for the past 30 days. It's actually driving me insane.
Carefree, waiting for the exhale. Just like everybody's inspired heat on the boat. It's gonna be
Cool, you're gonna play dog water and I'm gonna turn it off. Cool's like, guys, this isn't this radio song. It's kind of booty I've never heard about before.
low key. I have no one who made it.
Low key, Cole's playing his own SoundCloud and it sounds like dog. Absolute buffoon.
Are you gonna take the rowboat?
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
We all.
Come on, grab a paddle, Cole. Hey, you're a rower. You should be good at this. Pete Roman! Row, go wrong way. No,
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 I am good.
no, you guys start turning. There you go. Put your boxer to it. There's a helicopter out there, mate. It's going over the bluff.
Gotta do this George watch.
Dude, for real though. Just need a flag. Come on, lads. This is a pre-workout.
All my fellas. All my fellas. Let's go. Let's go. All my fellas. All my fellas.
You're still the same. There's only rain, I wanna crash and numb this pain. Nothing will last inside this lane. Oh, take me far away past these mediocre days. I need to stop this burn. Say, can you help me unlearn? This rodeo's got me feeling like a so I should go before I'm a oh no. This rodeo's got me looking like a bad, bad girl. I should go before I'm a no. Forbidden fruit, it's not always right. Make way for change. Oh, shitty train, I know for certain I'm insane. Nothing can live here. The mud is so deep, I can't see. Now take me to another country, let me start over. Oh, I long for green hills, windmills and four-leaf clover. This rodeo's got me feeling like so I should go before I'm a oh no. This rodeo's got me looking like a bad, bad girl. I should go before I'm a no, no. Forbidden fruit, oh, it's not always right. Make way for change. Make way for change.
Huh? Oh my gosh, dude. Hold on. Let me make a call. It is a graveyard out here.
One fish, but we're playing 5 of these.
It is Ghost Town.
I'm in love. You gotta go, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Sober up, the sun is killing my buzz. That's why they call it morning. Thought I was strong enough. Threw my bottle at the sky, said, God, that's a warning. Don't wanna sober up, try to keep it inside, but I just wanna pour it. Thought I was strong enough, Got a lot of shit to say, couldn't fit it in the chorus. I just left Wally, spent a Maserati. The way I gotta flex, you think I did Pilates. I call my quote-unquote friends, do you got plans? Turns out everyone's free when the dinner is. Then they drag me to a party out in Malibu. After 30 high noons, it was pretty cool. Tried to shoot my shot, she told me that she had to shoot. Bye-bye. Don't want to sober up, the sun is killing my buzz. That's why they call it morning. Thought I was strong enough, threw my bottle at the sky, said, God, that's a warning. Don't want to sober up, try to keep it inside, but I just wanna pour it. Thought I was strong enough, got a lot of shit to say, couldn't fit it in the chorus. Stumbling down the corridor, came across an open door. Throwing up is easy, and who put on the Commodores? That's a nice tile floor, wish I got to know you more. Who am I talking to? Nobody. Take me outside, I'm a little too high, paid a little too much for the time of my life. When money ain't a problem, everyone's lying. Even when I tell myself that I don't want to sober up, the sun is killing my buzz. That's why they call it morning. Thought I was strong enough, threw my bottle at the sky, said, God, that's a warning. Don't want to sober up, try to keep it inside, but I just wanna pour it. Thought I was strong enough, got a lot of shit to say, couldn't fit it in the chorus.
You inside?
Yeah, you're good. off into your boat.
I'll give you a good push. You better, Daddy better get a push. Oh, double time. If you connected him, you might be able to do that. Maybe. That ain't gonna work, Cole. That ain't gonna work. Bro, this doofus. Cole, they're not attached, you dingus. Oh my, that's not what that's for. That's to hold it in. Just run with one. Bro, by the time you get it figured out, you're gonna be at Clark's Point, dude. You're gonna be at Flounder Flats. This guy, dude. You could have just taken that one. Row, row, row your boat. This dude is good. And Cole, remember to turn off the music when you're done, okay? Look at this absolute. You hear me, Cole? Oh my God.
Dude, Seth's cam like hitting like the goofy gritty on the boat. Be like, oh, oh. Yo, he literally hitting the gritty right now. He literally hitting the gritty on the wheel right now, dude.
Cole with the cam, Cole cam. Cole with the cam. Hold on, man, hold on.
Light me up.
Yo, check me out. I'm gonna set this up so you don't look retarded. I forget if it's this way.
Ow.
Oh!
Really gotta take a picture. Take a picture real quick. Soap!
Soap, no soap!
Soap! Are we gonna paddle or are we gonna use the motor?
Let's use the motor.
You should have enough water.
Start your engine. Where's that going? Oh my God, bro. Cody! Wasting time.
Enjoy the sunset. We should just take this out and get some fish, you know? Probably house enough fish in here that we can probably get out there.
He's in the wall! Home sweet home.
Where's Rick? Don't care.
Just don't look at the registration, bro.
What the fricky dicky are you doing?
Dude, every time, bro's gotta.
Dude's like, you're taking the wide panoramic tour view,
Who's
dude.
taking this?
For real.
What's going on with the other boat?
Whoa, what the? What? Ghost boat, dude. What? No, dude. Gotta click up, click up.
You got nothing in your hand.
I'm trying to say that you're on it. You're on top of it, dude. On top of it, like, feel it, come on. Okay, so now is the time for the Ryan Gosling playlist? Or do we want Goofy Chill?
I got you.
I got you.
No, I think I got you.
I want to hear 1738. I'm like, hey, what's up? Hello.
It looks like playing normal good music.
Chester, you don't even listen to music.
True.
Put some MF Doom. No.
Oh, he's
That's all play. Play. Now's the time to just sit back, relax, and vibe out.
Watch out, it's the baby. Bring me the baby.
I wanna feel alive, feel the blood inside my veins. I wanna slow the time, will you slow it down with me? I think I need to find what it means to be okay. It's broken by design, can't live life without some pain, yeah. And I know I'll keep running, no, I'll be something you